Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. It is weekend, guys. We are here. Holiday rush is going. 14 days to Santa Claus coming. You guys could check this company out. Link is going to be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But let's see this. How, like I said, hopefully you guys are safe and everything's going smooth. Oh boy. We got something big. There we go. Oh, this should be fun. A lot of fun, guys. This is coming from my good friends over at ROCKSPACE. This is it. Since now we are all home schooling, home at work, home at just period at home. You're going to need one of these, guys. Especially for Twitch streamers, all you video game streamers. ROCKSPACE home mesh Wi-Fi system. This is a 3-pack. Covers up to 6,000 square feet of your living area. It's wireless, hardwire. What's inside? 3 mesh units, 3 power adapters, 1 quick installation guide, 1 gigabit Ethernet card. And here's all the goodies. You can put it downstairs, your game room, man cave, your gym. You can have it outdoor in your garage or your gym. Everyone's doing that now, so you can get internet out there. Reliable home Wi-Fi. And then this. So now we're going to open it just like you would too when you get one. But this will be a nice gift to give to somebody, especially those hard to get people. And something new, but it's going to be helpful. So that's a great tool to have. Is this, especially now, because like I said, tablets, iPods, iPads, and pretty much everything. Nintendo Switch, PS5, Xbox Series X, PC computers. Yeah. Gotta love this digital world now. ROCKSPACE sent us to the moon. You guys could be flying in your ship in this thing, no problem. Ooh, got some side action going on. Pull it out. There. Ooh, nice presentation, nice black box. Oops, the wrong way. There we go. Oops. So, manual. Yeah, we might need that. Here is the power supply. Go. Here's your average. Plug in the wall. Plug it in the back. 1, 2, because there's 3 of them. So I'm sure there's going to be an app to download. They got a QR code on the side of the box. Get it out on Google Play or the App Store, so Android or the iPhone. And here's the final. Nice presentation, though. Here's the third adapter. Bring this up. Let's open it. Okay, one by one. Ooh, nice little cube. ROCKSPACE. Yeah, buddy. QR code for the back also. So 1, 2. There's the internet symbol. Power right there. And a landline there. So you can hook this right up to your computer instead of using it with Wi-Fi, or could a lot of things you could do with this. So I'll show you guys. Just bear with me. This will be over soon. Oh, there she is. Need one of these. Empty. Microphone check. Here we go. Data. It's gone to this. So we'll get it together. Ah, this is cool. I like this. It'll light up right here. You can tell with the LED. Really cool. Oh, this is crazy. 6,000 square feet. So definitely I'll be good to go for this year coming up. We got those unboxed, so this is what it looks like when you get it. Get your phone ready, get it charged. Make sure you know your passwords. We'll be back. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna set this up at, and then I'll show you guys the QR code scan really quick. At least we could set that up. Gotta remember where I put it in this iPhone. QR code. Okay, Tower of Power. I don't need Google. There we go. It's gonna pop up like that. Go to Euro. Do you like this app? No, I don't. Open. Kogan. Oh no, that was the other one. There it is. RS Wi-Fi. Get it. Got it. Good. Install. Oh shoot. Forgot my password. Yep, I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, we got it going. It's good. It's dynamic. Bada boom. Connected. Change your Wi-Fi name. Outer space. And it's creating. Almost done. That was really easy to do though, guys. If I could do it, you could do it. So definitely check them out. ROCKSPACE. Boom. We are connected. Success. Alright. Okay. Open. Okay. Now, what do I do here? Okay, I got the password setting done. And let's see if I can find it. There's that. Once you pull it up. There we go. and add a device. Searching. Okay. There we go. Hold on one sec. Alright guys, this is what it looks like when it's connected. That's what you name your ROCKSPACE primary mode. And then I could do the second and the third one, which I'm going to do in a second. And it will show your uploads and everything there. Well, let me get the other two connected. In about 3 seconds, we'll hop back into the table. And it shows the devices right here. My iPod or iPhone. And then we'll get this rocking. We'll be back. Alright guys, we're back at the other table. So we got this one now, number 2. We're going to call it. We're just going to plug her in. You could plug her in any socket in your house, like in your kids' room, game room, man cave, your backyard, wherever you have room that you need Wi-Fi in. So now we got that. And then we're going to connect the dots. Kind of looks like a pyramid once they're all lit up. So we go add a device, settings. You can go through settings, check that out. You can do firmware upgrades, maintenance. Control now, you can go in there and control it. And then once you do that, so we're going to go add a device, searching. I think it's going. It's flashing. Alright, hold on, let me fix this really quick. Alright guys, we got a second one in my room hooked up. Secondary nude. And I'm going to show you that in a second. But it is going. And now I just got to find a spot for number 3. So bear with me guys. Grab some popcorn. I'll be back. Alright guys, we got the third one just installed. And hopefully it kicks in a few seconds. Just like this one did. And there we go. And then reset. ROCKSPACE. There we go. We got the 3 pyramid connected. And it's going to be rocking in a few. But I'm having no issues on my phone. Great for streaming. Any movies on Netflix. Disney Plus now. They got everything going on. Now we're going to hop to my other 2 rooms and show you where I put them. So we got the first one right here. The main one. I'm going to clean it up more, so don't mind. Excuse the mess. But we're going to have that rocking in a second. And here's number 3. Got set up now. Or this is number 2. So we got number 2 right here. It's all good. And now we're going to go visit number 3. And we got the third one hooked up to my spare bedroom. Green light is good. So we got them 3 hooked. Computer is good. So check these guys out, ROCKSPACE. And you guys have a good weekend. Be safe and see you soon.